The following video has 10 questions to test your English knowledge. This video's topic is the present simple tense. The test consists of 10 multiple choice questions. You will have 5 seconds to answer each question. Pause the video if you need more time. You will see and hear the correct answer directly after each question. Add up your correct answers and post your score to the comments. Are you ready? Good luck! My parents live in a 2-bedroom apartment. She tries very hard. She doesn't have a brother. Judy and Ed go twice a week. Do you like pineapple juice? They write emails every day. He catches a cold every winter. She does not want to go to the cinema. What time do you normally get up, Judy? We don't like it.